In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open notification on LinkedIn. This is a very simple task, but if you're new to LinkedIn or just getting familiar with the layout, it helps to know exactly where to look. Notifications on LinkedIn are where you can keep track of important updates, including connection activity, reactions to your posts, messages about your network, job-related alerts, and other platform updates. Once you know where to find them, it becomes much easier to stay up to date and respond quickly when needed. To begin, go to LinkedIn. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the LinkedIn website, or by opening the LinkedIn app if you're using a mobile device. Make sure you're signed into your account so that you can access the full navigation menu. If LinkedIn opens to your home feed, that's perfect, because the notification area is usually available right from the main interface. Once you're on LinkedIn, look for the notification option. On desktop, this is typically located in the top navigation bar. In the mobile app, it may appear along the bottom menu. The icon often looks like a bell, which is a common symbol for alerts and updates. When you find it, click on notification to open it. After clicking, LinkedIn will display your notifications feed. This is the section where you can review recent activity related to your profile and network. Depending on your account activity, you may see updates about new connections, comments, reactions, profile views, event reminders, or job-related notifications. If there are many updates, you can scroll through the list to read them more carefully. A helpful tip is to pay attention to whether some notifications appear highlighted or marked as new. That usually means they haven't been viewed yet. Opening this section regularly can help you stay organized and avoid missing anything important, especially if you use LinkedIn for professional networking, job searching, or sharing content. And that's all there is to it. Go to LinkedIn, then click notification to open your alerts and updates. It's quick, easy, and useful for keeping track of what's happening on your account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you navigate LinkedIn with more confidence.